Well, guys, we're starting to get into that transition zone between rain and snow of this winter storm. Right now, it's sleeting, and I feel like we're seeing some freezing rain. It's not snowing right now, it's all sleet. You can kind of see it over there. It's actually bouncing all over my iPad and me. This is sleet. We're expected to be with some sleet and freezing rain for the rest of the morning. This afternoon, my area is expecting about 2 inches of snow. We are in that wintry mix. And I'll pick up again when it starts snowing.